Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the Procure Space ETF. This is ticker UFO. Now we know that President Trump is expected to release all of the UFO files. And interestingly enough, the UFO ETF had a big pickup in volume today. Now, I don't know if the two are connected, probably not, but I do think that this is a nice looking chart. We have a long base of consolidation. UFO's been going sideways for the better part of a month and a half, a break above a clear resistance level, and a nice pickup in volume. And so if you're looking for exposure to rockets and satellites and space-based imagery, this ETF is pretty interesting. And so I would keep an eye on this because we're getting a clear break of consolidation here happening on some of the biggest bull volume that this ETF has ever seen. Now, maybe some of this move has to do with what's happening in the Middle East because, of course, there's some defense and security aspects to what's happening in space. But I certainly think if you want exposure to space, the final frontier, I would keep an eye on the UFO ETF. Near-term support down around the 50-day moving average. I think you can own some of this here and just keep a stop rate at that 50-day moving average and set a breakout alert right above 48.70. And so own a little as long as it holds above the 50-day moving average, and then look to add with a move through and a close above 48.70 coming on volume. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.